Nissan India launches the big, bold and beautiful new Nissan Magnite with versatile and extravagant interiors, best-in-class cockpit interface design, ample knee and leg room, cargo space with a 60-40 split, a cup holder and spacious dashboard storage, airbags, air purifier and cordless mobile charger, easy-to-access bottle holder, puddle lights, high-end JBL speakers for quality sound, ambience lighting and best-in-class visibility angle, easy and innovative gear controls, steering mounted audio and meter controls and wireless mobile to system connection. An event to launch the new 360 charismatic Nissan Magnite was held in Shillong. The Nissan Magnite, that has been described as big, bold and beautiful, was launched on 3rd December 2020 at the Orange Nissan outlet at Lumsohphoh, Nongthymmai, in the presence of the District Transport Officer Shri R Hing, the Managing Director of Orange Nissan Mr. Shemphang Lyngdoh, besides staff of the outlet, well-wishers and members of the press fraternity.
In launching of the new Nissan Magnite, vehicle manufactured by Nissan Company, I am thankful to Shri R Hing, manufacturing vehicle in our country. That is like Hindustan Motor, Mahindra and Fiat. In the category of passenger vehicle, with the coming up of the different manufacturing companies in the country, the members of the public can now choose and compare different models with advanced technology. Today, the new Nissan Magnite being launched by the Nissan company, the people have one more choice to choose. I wish the model will set the taste and liking of the people and the successful one. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
We have been waiting for this day very anxiously, and we are excited for this day to come, to unveil this car and to make this car available to our customer. And also take this opportunity to as gift to our customers in India. It's indeed a big, bold, beautiful car, which really turns our heads if once this car is on the road. The looks, the design, and the technology which puts in this car is indeed marvelous. It is looking good from the front, from the back, from the side, inside out. It's great in everything.